Hi, I'm Dr. Siddiq. I'm from Sleep and Wellness Medical Associates in Hamilton, New Jersey. I really enjoyed this two-day conference at Vitality Connect. And it's really a wealth of information I gained, how to promote my practice, how to develop GainsWave to the next level, how to really provide this service to my patients who are experiencing erectile dysfunction, improve their quality of life, improve their overall self-esteem. And I came away with a lot of pearls, how to improve the leads, how to nurture the leads, how to develop a robust referral pattern, and really have a sustainable business model and build a team that are going to help grow my practice. GainsWave could be really a very significant part of my business growth, and I'm looking forward to using these pearls that I learned this weekend. Thank you.